Fix media player not working in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Shut down all media player processes. In many cases, users managed to solve app issues by shutting down background processes. Here's how. Fix 2. Use the troubleshooters. Troubleshooters can often point you in the right direction when having problems with various Windows components. You should run several troubleshooters. Fix 3. Enable video library access. Turn library access to on. Also, enable the Allow apps to access your videos library option. Fix 4. Reinstall the app. Media player cannot be uninstalled in a traditional way, but instead, the Turn Windows features on or off option should be used. Follow these steps. Click OK and restart your PC. After a reboot, follow the same stats but enable media player this time and click OK. Reboot and check if that fixed things for you. Fix 5. Re-register associated DLL files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Fix 6. Check Windows for corruption. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed.